When people think of loss, the idea of finding meaning or anything beneficial from it seems contradictory. But whether it's a breakup, divorce, or even death, there is more to be found, depending on how you hold the thoughts around it. It is not that you can stop the loss from occurring, it's that your thoughts change everything that comes after the loss. Grief is a matter of the heart and soul. Grieve your loss, allow it in, and spend time with it. Suffering is the optional part. Remember that you always come into this world in the middle of the movie, and you leave in the middle of the movie, and so do the people you love. But love never dies, and spirit knows no loss. Since your thinking shapes the experience of your loss, why not make your intention to have a tender, loving experience of grief? And keep in mind that a broken heart is an open heart. Let your thinking manifest hope to your sorrow. Choose your thoughts wisely. Be kind to yourself, and reflect on the loss with love. If you're grieving the death of a loved one, remember how you loved them when they were present. Know that you can continue loving them in their absence. You can go from grief to peace. Endings are also beginnings. We encourage you to use the affirmations and teachings throughout the book, not only while working through a loss, but also in every aspect of your life. Pay attention to your thinking and change it in areas that you don't have peace. By doing so, you'll bring more happiness into your life and to those around you. Hard times can serve as a reminder that our relationships are a gift. Loss can remind us that life itself is a gift. And please remember to love yourself. You deserve it. You are a gift. I love life and life loves me. I have lived and loved. I am healed and whole. I love life and life loves me. I have lived and loved. I am healed and whole. This is Louise Hay, and I love you.